I'm Riza Escabanday. I am here in the Kaubyan Beach Resort. And there's tourists coming. So let's go to see how beautiful the beach resort is.
It's a beautiful
China!
nice spot. Spot. This is
Some tourists go here to make some relax after they eat after they eat or after the massage. Hey, may I ask your And now let's go to see
Monkey.
to see the beautiful spot in this chunky.
what is that?
Asa mata?
This is the beach resort. You can see how the beautiful beach.
Oh, and
Can we raise there?
Here.
Yeah, yeah.
Back to nerd.
Good afternoon. Bria. Anang, so we can also play like dali. Ito sa video.
Dali, pag tinarong so ka dito.
Na-overlook ka ng friend ba? Na-overlook ka nagtabyog. And also, there are some games that we made to play. Like volleyball. Here.
Imagine na lagod na bola.
So we must imagine that there is a ball. And now let's go to see. As you can see, there are horse there. So you can see there are horse here. They eat grass or something that they must eat. So come here and another part of the beach. This is what we call aloe vera. Cactus. The guests or the tourists write their name here. As you can see, but we don't understand their language or words that they write here. So let's go come here and we will going to the monkey. And the parrot. So this is the first monkey. Girl,
Boy.
a boy monkey. As you can see. He touched my hands. His hand is so soft. So come here to another monkey. Second monkey. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take a picture? Can you take a picture? A girl monkey. Picture ba? And now,
Bulag.
let's go to the parrot. This is the parrot. As you can see. This is the parrot. May I ask you a favor? Can you take picture? Yes.
Pag siya na video, nagkuhan.
Bidyuhan man kid.
Okay, I'll take a picture. Wala, palilay lang. Asik na. No. Ganda. Thank you.
Uy, ari ato to patapit.
I-video ko kung sa gito. Here.
Arit pa bukod.
Duro ko.
Oh.
Sabot niya.
It's so very beautiful.
Hindi
Here.
ako, ano.
There are also some tourists go there, or any to make them relax. As you can see, so come here, guys.
Hindi ka na ba dyan?
Daligla ko. Daligla ko. Pila mga person. Dara ako.
And now we are here at the back of the beach resort. What is this private? Come to Kaobian Island Beach Resort. This is the back of the Kaobian Island Beach Resort, or as we call Kaobian Dako. So,
My name is Song Sang Laida. Welcome, Kaubian. Let's go.
Madok sana sila ron.
This key is here and go again to one.
and you can see that there is jet ski. The tourists ride jet ski when the sea is high tide. And you can see the beautiful past view at the back. Adit, adit.
Mana day?